To use the system cloner on OnePlus 13, first you need to open a settings on your device. Navigate to the security and privacy options and then scroll all the way down, select the system cloner from the section, and then let me delete the one I've already set up. And here you will need to perform a setup. So click on get started, and then you need to draw your current lock screen pattern, after which you'll be able to click on next and select a password for the system clone. So each time you're gonna lock your device, you'll be able to basically enter this code to log into your original account or to this clone account. So I'm gonna confirm it, and then when we lock my device, as I said, and try to unlock it, so here's the new clone that I've made, and then when I lock it again, there's the original account being logged in right now. So that is basically everything.